welcome back to No Winning. We're gonna be doing something today that I haven't felt like doing it for I don't know for how long. The car has actually been ready for what, like about a month now? It's been ready for about a month. It's still sitting, it hasn't been moved because we're avoiding to do this one install. And with this install, we need to open up this box. So we're gonna do another unbox. I don't know what's in this box. I ordered like 10 things at once so I can get the free shipping, you know, the thing that everybody does. So I hope everybody does. So let's see what we got.
Straight from Subaru?
This one is straight from, I don't even know where I ordered it from. All right.
Hey, peanuts.
We ordered a handful of peanuts on this car. Nuts.
It's the first time I see. Whoa. What is that?
We got some fuku. You know what I mean?
All right.
Radiator hoses. Because as you can see, this big ass box here, if you haven't already figured it out, this is going on with this, so that's why I ordered that. Nice. So Merry Christmas. We got a Cusco heat shield.
Where does that go?
This is gonna go for that part that I don't want to install today.
Oh.
For the CV Boot.
Nice.
That's for the front. There's another CV Boot.
Another one?
For inner and outer.
Okay.
Outer and inner, something like that. Yeah. This is gonna be the heat shield to protect it from the downpipe because that's probably why it's all roasted right now.
Medium well. I mean, well done.
Well done, extra well done.
Hey. Nice.
Now we're gonna put this probably, if we can mount it, right there. It's perfect.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered this actually. Cool. We're not installing this today. We'll install this another day. We'll do a video for this. I got a Killer Bee elbow, the one that has that smooth, that smooth surface is right by the. I should have done this with when I did the thermostat.
Hey, you know, we just like uninstalling stuff.
We just like uninstalling and reinstalling stuff, so we got that. I guess they gave us a lot of peanuts. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, it's the bill.
What?
It's the bill.
Uh-oh. What is that? Oh, it's a sticker. You having trouble there?
I am having trouble. Lots of trouble.
What is it?
I'm trying to open it. It's only been in the key for like...
Warning. Bras fall off.
I'm not sure which car this was going on here.
The Forester, dude.
We'll do an install for this also. We'll do a special install for you on this one also. Alright. That's all we got. So now...
That was it?
That's it.
Hey,
sure? That's like $400, dude. This
for
thing?
A sticker?
Yeah, for the sticker. Everything else was add-on. This is like $100. This is like $100. That's like $100. That was like $100. You know, everything's expensive on this damn thing.
Dude, for real.
Right. So we're gonna drive up the car. The boot that's destroyed is on this side. You may have remembered from our very first video where we found out that the other boot was destroyed. We didn't pay attention to this side, but this boot's destroyed too. So yeah, we'll set up the camera and get that going. All right, what you doing?
All right, so we took out the tire.
Cool.
The nuts. We're gonna mark. I only have a Sharpie, so we're gonna use this.
Do a best job.
We're gonna mark the camera bolts. Can you get in there? You can take them on this side.
All right, go first. Mark the bolts. Here's the other one. I think we're gonna replace.
You see it?
Looks good. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, cool.
Oh yeah, we're replacing the screw.
Huh? Oh, we didn't even. Yeah, this is the. I haven't felt like doing this for I don't know how long.
I don't know what.
But in case you haven't seen this, check this out. Ooh.
You see it?
The header, equal length, downpipe, all wrapped nice and pretty. All right. So what are we taking out?
All right, we're gonna take these out. I think it's the 19.
19.
Just happen to have one.
Oh yeah. It's hot.
Oh yeah. Definitely.
Got enough space in there?
Almost. It would be.
Why don't you face it the other way?
I did. I got it. Nice. Okay. Take the bolts out.
You got it?
Rub off the sharp.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep track of everything.
Oh, you know what we need to do? We take this off. This nut right here.
What size is that? Do we even have a socket big enough for that?
I think we do. I think we bought it, didn't we? Is it? Oh! You know what? We don't.
We don't have it?
No.
Well, looks like we're making a trip to somewhere. We'll be back. All right, it's been like 12 hours. Not. If you're still watching this, we've only made one trip to the auto parts store, and we got ourselves one of these right there. Yeah, 32 millimeter. We realized that nobody ever mentions that you need a 32 millimeter. They just take it off. So you need a 32 millimeter. 32 millimeter. All right. So let me get back to the other side where Abram's gonna get his hands dirty, not me. I'm recording today. All right.
Everybody wondering? 32. Get it. See if it comes out.
You already took out the other bolt over here?
No, I did not.
Great. I know, dude. I'm recording today. You struggle today. I'm not gonna install today. It's my day off. Now you get to do the editing and the install.
Woo! Oh yeah, we gotta just take out the bulb in the bottom.
Okay,
I don't know what size it is.
oh, great. We're gonna have to make another trip to. All right. So what do we do? We used. Oh, can't even get my camera straight. Look, we used a breaker bar. We leveraged it about right here, popped it open like that, and now we are separating.
It's out now.
Yeah, it's out now. You got it?
Yeah, we're probably gonna take up this brake line here. It's like really on there, really off. I don't want to mess with this brake line.
Oh, it's on the list to replace.
10? I think it's 10.
Yeah, who needs those impacts? Okay, so we're just gonna do one CV boot, right?
Yeah.
Everything on this car is usually like a 10, a 12, 14. Except for the lug nuts, it's kind of weird. It's like a 19. All right, and we are back. So now we're just gonna separate it from where? Underneath?
Yeah.
Here, let me go meet you underneath. Without. All right. Where are you? In the green part, right?
Yeah, right here. Should just slip up.
But like,
Okay,
like
ready?
it's not surviving this. Oh.
Come up?
No. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh man.
Look at that.
Well done.
Extra roasted. Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh man, I can smell it. I wish you could smell this. All right. If you're still watching this, which I hope you are, it's finally out. Look, it looks extra roasty here. All right. This is the outer one. It looks good. We went cheap, so we're just gonna get just a boot here to replace it. It looks like we're gonna do, this is front outer, which is here. Don't need that one. We need
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it the other way then.
Subaru STI front inner right here. So we're gonna crack it open. Oh, actually, he's gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna let him put some gloves on and figure out what we gotta take off, and yeah, we'll be back.
Write that down.
I'm not looking forward to doing the brakes on this car either. You can be the guy that does that. I'll record again. Maybe like you do one side and I'll do the other side.
You're officially off today.
I'm off today.
Okay, so now looks like we gotta hit
Flathead?
that.
Got it?
Okay. Ready? Zooming in on this. If I can get it in there. Ooh.
Don't try this at home, kids. But try it at home.
Okay, got a little bit there, the lip there. Oof. There we go.
You want the other flathead? I think that one's like stronger. Oh, don't stab yourself. There it goes.
That's what I was trying to do.
Oh,
Okay, now,
all right.
use these. Mmm. Mmm. Like those sound effects?
What is this name? Oh,
Oh, okay. Nice.
is that the way the new one is?
Yeah. No. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, so then take it out, right?
Yes.
There is a pin here on the inside. Oh man, this might be hard. And we're back.
And we didn't show you the struggle on camera. I'm sorry. We need
Alright.
4 pairs of hands.
This is what we use. We use that razor blade there.
Let's check it out. We did this. Opened it up. Right, got in there, and then just
That was the secret.
That was a secret. So nobody
This
ever
was
wants to
like-
share secrets.
Super.
Oh, stab yourself. I told you.
Okay. Guess we're gonna have to put the secret again.
There it is.
Dang. That was like
There it
way
is.
easier. Okay. Oh yeah. And then I use this. Get them all the way out.
This is the cheapest way to do it without having to replace the whole damn shaft. AKA the no winning. I want to do it always the most complicated way. Alright, now what?
There it is. It's coming out. Don't bend it. Ooh. Boom. All right.
Wow, is that the whoa, whoa,
Okay.
boom.
All right. It's out.
Alright,
So you got all your little
ball bearings. How many are you supposed to have?
Just 2. There's 6 there.
6.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks like an even number.
Okay. Now,
Is this the
somewhere
hard
in here.
part? Is this the hard part? Man, we should have just bought the whole new CV shaft.
Nah. Okay. Somewhere here, there's a snap ring. There it is. I see it.
Okay, let me get the tool. We actually bought this in advance, so that's a win. All right, now that we unboxed it off camera, I don't know how to use this, so let's see if,
Okay.
see if we can figure it out. Where am I going?
Right here. There's a little snap ring right here.
I see it right here.
2 holes there. You get it? And I wiggle it.
Can't even really
Going?
see it now.
No, no. Press it. Go, go. There you go, there you go. Keep going, keep going. There it is. Okay, put it down. Woo! Nice.
There we go. Okay. Wow. Man, I just cleaned this concrete. Dude, wow. Wow. I just cleaned this concrete. Dude, it went right through my legs. That was a win right there.
All right, then you got your little crown here. Woo! Hang on to it. Hang on to it. It almost slipped.
I am so glad you're doing this. I am so glad you're doing. Oh man, dude. I am so glad you're doing this. Thank God. Wow.
All right.
Where are you?
We're gonna clean up and we'll be right back. Clean out the cup
Okay, that looks
of
good.
the old grease. Those look pretty fishy, you know, gunky.
Gunky.
We're gonna put the new grease. Came with new grease. Pack it in there. We're gonna start putting everything back. Got the other one here. It's good. No tears. Feels really.
Sturdy.
Yeah, the other one was like kind of like cracking, I guess. Alright,
But it should be good with the new heat shield on it too.
Yeah. So now, we insert this.
You're gonna put the little clips first?
Yeah, we'll try it. See if it goes on. No tear it.
Did you say something about Baja? You done this before?
What? SAE.
SAE?
SAE Baja.
Those of you that know. Those of you who don't know, too bad. You're missing out.
You know who you are.
You know who you are.
Woo. Okay. Fun stuff right here. Okay, so now it's gonna be harder since it's gonna be real close. Okay, so now set down. Oh, it came with a new snap ring, I guess. So if I remember, it's gonna be this first. Got a little bit of grease on there still. Looks like it's okay.
It doesn't look gunky like the other one.
Yeah, looks nice. So we're gonna put this on first.
All right. So it is directional, right?
Yeah.
And
So it's got like a little bit of a deeper cut on this piece. So it's actually gonna go in like that. And then you'll see the little cut for the snap ring right here.
Oh yeah, you can see it. No, you can see
Oh
it.
yeah, you can see it on the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna put the snap ring on. I'm gonna line it up and then grab those. Just don't go too much. Just enough. Keep going, keep going. A little bit more. Okay, there, stop. Well, okay, maybe a little bit more. I thought I was gonna slide better. I gotta make sure I don't get my glove. Go. A little bit more. So close. Oh man, it's got in my face.
Yep, I got my face too. Right here.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that's on. Now you gotta put the ball bearings.
Woo. Does anybody show any of this on the video? All right, so we struggled for a little bit. Lower, yeah, right, there we go.
Okay.
Struggled for a little bit. The ball bearings, putting them back in place, we needed 4 hands in order to get it. 2 hands holding, 2 hands shuffling. So yeah, now we have the boot on, we have the hose clamps in place. Now we're just gonna grease it up, clean up some of this, and put it back in au bleu. So, boom.
Okay, this might be kind of hard actually.
Okay, so what do we do?
I'm gonna have to tighten this one up.
Cool, let's gotta give it a good, oh, you wanna just,
Yeah, we have to work it down.
Okay.
Like a lot.
Well,
But down, but down.
Yeah, I was gonna say this way. So I'll hold it up, and or
Okay.
I'll work it here. I'll work it.
Jeez.